I'm Tara Vent and I'm a Hamilton Fellow at Jenkins Arboretum Gardens. We're so sorry that you weren't able to be here with us today, but I'm excited to take you through the gardens to show you some spring wildflowers that are blooming. We're in our green ribbon garden where the Phlox divaricata is blooming beautifully. Here you can see a blue variety and a lighter variety. It's a lavender to almost white color. The blue variety is called Phlox divaricata Blue Moon, and the white variety is Phlox divaricata May Breeze. Phlox divaricata gets 12 to 18 inches tall, and it flowers late April to early June. This plant grows typically in moist, shaded woodlands, but here we have it growing more in an open area, kind of more full sun. Phlox is not drought tolerant, so if it is in more of a full sun area, be sure to keep it moist. These flowers are also very fragrant. This is Aquilegia canadensis, also known as wild Columbine. This plant gets about 2 to 3 feet tall and it blooms April through June. The flowers are red with yellow leaf blades. This flower can be found in deciduous woodlands along slopes and other rocky areas. The leaves emerge before the flowers and they have a really cute scalloped shape to them. This is a great plant to put in your landscape. It's very low competition and it will seed around and fill in the gaps. Next to the Aquilegia canadensis, we have Stylophorum diphyllum. This is also known as Celandine Poppy. It gets about 1.5 feet tall. It's usually one of the first spring wildflowers to bloom. It sends out a big flush of blooms in the beginning of spring, and then will continue to send out more flowers sporadically. Here we have Dicentra eximia, also known as wild bleeding heart. It sends out a flush of flowers in April and will continue to flower throughout July. It gets about 1 to 1.5 feet tall. These flowers are a magenta color, but they can range from a rose pink to a purplish red. These plants are pretty low maintenance and look great in a naturalized garden. We've been crouching a lot, but for this wildflower, we're gonna have to get down on our hands and knees. This is Asarum canadensis, also known as wild ginger. The leaves are a heart-shaped ground cover, but to find the wildflower, you have to do a little digging. This plant can be found in moist, rich woods and flowers from April to May. It's pretty aggressive, so if you do plant it in your yard, be sure to give it some space to move. Thanks for joining us on today's Wednesday Walkabout. Be sure to tune in next week to see what else is blooming in the garden. Until then, don't forget to spend some time outside. Remember, we have a bunch of activities on our website to keep you engaged with nature while you're at home. Thanks again, and we'll see you next week.